Good morning. Here we go into ministration, folks. Lord, we thank you this day. Lead us in Jesus' name. So we go straight into 1 Kings, the reading of the Gospel of 1 Kings 18, verses 41 to 46. The rain is coming, the rain of blessings. 41. And Elijah said unto Ahab, Get you up, eat and drink, for there is a sound of abundance of rain. The sound of abundance of rain, a blessing coming. 42. So Ahab went up to eat and to drink, and Elijah went up to the top of Carmel, Mountain Carmel, and he cast himself down upon the earth and put his face between his knees. So while the King Ahab went up to eat and to drink, what did the man of God do? Prophet Elijah went up to the top of Carmel and cast himself down upon the earth, prostrate prayer in a prostrate form, and put a total surrender to God, and put his face